Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the HiFlask by Wismec. The Wismec HiFlask is an all-in-one pod system with a built-in 2100 mAh battery and a 5.6 milliliter refillable cartridge. The kit comes in a sturdy cardboard box with a slide-off sleeve. Inside the box, the kit contents include a user manual, spare parts, a micro USB charging cable, 2 JVUA 0.3 ohm coil heads, and the HiFlask battery and cartridge. The HiFlask battery features a large power button, heat vents on the bottom, and a charging port located on the front. Combined with the cartridge, it is roughly 3.5 inches in height by 1 inch and 7/8 in width. The refillable HiFlask cartridge can hold up to 5.6 milliliters of e-liquid, and it features an airflow control knob on the top designed for mouth-to-lung and direct lung vapors. The drip tip can also be interchanged. The cartridge locks into the battery for a secure hold. The 0.3 ohm JVUA coil heads slide into the lower portion of the cartridge. Prime the coil head and push it in until it fits snug into the silicone casing. The side of the cartridge contains an e-liquid fill port. Open the tab and fill with e-liquid. Once full, replace the tab. Place the cartridge into the HiFlask battery until it clicks into place. 5 clicks of the power button turns it on, and you're ready to vape. The HiFlask was an excellent performer. The battery case is metal but lightweight. I love the long-lasting battery life and the large e-liquid capacity. The airflow knob is a little difficult to turn, and the minimum airflow may not be restrictive enough for some. I prefer it wide open on the max setting. The lock system works great. It holds the pod in place, but it's still easy to unlock. My biggest con is, although the instructions say to fill with e-liquid first and then add the coil, for me that just led to a big mess of e-liquid. Add the coil first and then fill with e-liquid. Overall, a great sturdy yet lightweight device that feels good in the hand with coils that produce great flavor and vapor. The Wismec HiFlask currently runs in the $30 to $40 range, and it comes in 4 colors to choose from. If you'd like to pick up the kit for yourself, just click on the links in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.